Hello guys, so let's see how we do a temporary restoration. And a temporary restoration means that we need to do a restoration before the definitive restoration is ready, of course, or during a procedure, a long-term procedure, so between appointments of the endodontic treatment, for example. And then this one is a very good material, the J10 from Ultradent. And now we have basically this presentation of the material. You just need to press and the material will come out, and then the restoration will be ready for you to do a sculpture if needed in the occlusal surface, for example. And basically that's the restoration that you need to do. Okay, so let's show the entire procedure here for you guys. So it's a very good material, and the tips are also very useful and allow the material to flow correctly, which is basically what you want. The color here, of course, is a ready color because we want to differentiate from the remaining areas of the tooth, of course. So now we are packing. Imagine that you are doing the endodontic treatment, or you just finished the endodontic treatment. So you are packing some cotton some cotton balls, or any other material that you are using for this to cover the pulp chamber. And now you are placing the material, okay, and you give the sculpture of the occlusal surface, okay. And the consistency is very good, so you have very nice consistency. You can always try the occlusion. Velo X now, the light curing device, which needs to be a very good one. This is, for example, a very good one. Protecting your eyes with the orange glass, of course, with this orange protection. And now checking the occlusion and checking everything, okay? If you polymerize a little bit, you can still, of course, finish, then you can polish if needed, okay? So go back to the video of polishing if needed as well, all right? See you guys later.